Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The Twitter accounts of Goa NRI Commissioner and former South Goa Lok Sabha MP Narendra Savaikar and Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President Girish Chodankar's accounts have been hacked. The account was compromised by an unknown hacker, after which the name of account was changed to Nathan.eth and a series of tweets were sent from the account tagging random usernames and accounts. The hacker also changed the bio to angel investor and co-founder at board APEYC. In regards to Chodankar's account, malicious messages were being sent to followers while the blue verification badge had vanished. Twitter said that it was aware of the activity and taken steps to secure the compromised accounts. This is the latest high-profile Twitter security breach. The account with more than 45.1k followers is official Twitter account of Narendra Savaikar and Girish Chodankar.